Hello and welcome back to Schalk to Glory. Right, so in between episodes, EA have released the Centurions promo, and they've also released some Centurions themed Evos. So I'm going to put Tobias Moore through the Centurions Sharpshooter Evo because it makes him 86 rated and gives him 90 shooting, 5-star weak foot, high-low work rates, and finesse shot and Travella. And I'm already cooking with 76 Tobias Moore. Imagine how much I'm going to fucking cook when he has finesse shot, Travella, and 90 shooting and 5-star weak foot. It's fucking over for my opponents. I'm just gonna cook. Right. As for Trailblazer Striker, I'm gonna hold off. Now, this may seem stupid, however, quick do this. As you can see here, Kenan Karaman scored in a 3-2 win for us. And if I scroll down, that's the third, that was Kenan. Yeah, he assisted Brian Lasme for our first goal. And so, I'm trying to get this up right, there we go. Because he got a goal and an assist, I don't know if they'd put Karaman in the team of the week. So I'm gonna hold off for now and wait and see if Karaman gets in the team of the week. If he does, I'll put him in the Evo. If he does, then I'll put Keko. Then I'll get the team of the week Karaman, and I'll put Keko Top in the striker Evo. So yeah, basically, if he does get the team of the week, I'll get Inform Karaman, and Top will be the Evo striker. If he doesn't, I'll put Karaman into this. It's confusing, but you'll figure it out. And as for the Centurions box-to-box midfielder, come on, was I going to put anyone else into it? I'm going to put a Sanu Udrugo into it. I just need to make the 27. I need the extra 27k, and then I'll be able to do it. So yeah, come on, EA, give us the Premier League SBC. I have a lot of Premier League silvers to sell off. Pardon me. Another thing that's happened off camera. Why am I burping so much? Fucking hell. Another thing that I've done off camera is I finished putting Kaminsky through the Trailblazer centre-back Evo. So yeah, that's what he looks like now. And also, final thing that's happened between episodes, we go to transfers. Pedro Gonçalves finally sold. Finally, I'm free of this fucking burden of him not selling. But yeah. Anyways, that's enough. Let's get into some division rivals. Hopefully I get the win, get the assist I need with Tobias Moore. If not, oh well, I'll just go in squad battles and do it. But anyways, let's get into it. Foden, Rashford, Werner, Salah, Musiala, Kimmich, Robertson, John Stones, Kevin Trapp, De Ligt, and Jeremy Frimpong. Very good team. Let's see if I can beat it. And my phone's which I used to record, has just fallen over. There we go. Right. Paramount, Frimpong next interception. Alright, Schallenberg, to Poulter. Ah, fucker. Schallenberg intercepts and goes straight back to Kimmich. Schallenberg wins it back. Ah. Right. Kaminsky. Holds up to more. Plays it through to Karaman. Karaman takes it around the keeper. Karaman makes it 1-0. Let's go. Anderson Moore assists too. What? Why has Werner still got the ball? I put the fucking tackle in. But he blazed it wide, which is lucky for me. Right. Moore wins the header. Heads it down to Poulter. Poulter through on net. Poulter! Ah, Trapp makes the save. Oh, but he's passed it to Rodrigo. And Trapp makes the save yet again. Moore wins the tackle. Ah, Stones wins the ball back for him. What? I put the fucking tackle in game. Baumgartel wins it back. Right, it's gone through to Templeman, to Karaman, to Moore. Right, right. Poulter. There we go. Kimi gets the tackle in. Baumgartel to Schallenberg. Herman saves it out of play. Alright. Baumgartel heads it to Templeman. Templeman still has it. Frimpong comes across to win it. Kaminsky, Templeman, Moore. Rodrigo to Templeman. Through to Moore. Moore to Karaman. Karaman makes it 2-0. Let's go. Schallenberg intercepts, plays it to Moore. Moore takes it round 1. 2. Frimpong gets the tackling to cut Moore off from an incredible run. Fuck's sake. Musiala makes it 2-1. Alright. Moore. Frimpong gets the tackle. What the fuck was he trying to do there? Fair man! The fuck are you doing? Fair man, my guy. Just fucking boot it long like I wanted you to. Right, Karaman spins it and gone to Poulter to Moore. Back to Poulter. Delict It wins it. Right. Oh, Fairman makes the save. Baumgartel to Karaman. So Tobias Moore. What? Oh, I put the tackle in. Should have come up all right. Right, now let Fairman boots it long. Moore. Delict wins the header. What? I put the tackle in with Kaminsky. Why didn't... Fuck off, you don't deserve that goal. I put the tackle in with Kaminsky. Why didn't he win the fucking ball? Oh, it's the 45th minute. Of course he fucking didn't. Right, put the volume on that too. Right. I do not fucking deserve to be drawing this game. Right, let's get Patrick Kluivert on, and the best super sub in the game, Usman. Actually, no. Nah, I'll stick with Kluivert and Dembele. I'm going to keep Moore on. I need to get assists with him. Plus, he's the greatest of all time. Right.
And we're off for the second half.
Baumgartel to Kluivert. Schallenberg intercepts. Schallenberg wins it back. Do Schallenberg to Moore. To Kluivert.
And the defender left behind.
Kluivert! Oh, just wide by Patrick Kluivert.
Brute force when a cool head was needed. Frimpong. Salah. He's trying his luck here. Well, you can't blame him for taking it on, but lacking the accuracy required. Goal kick. Able to come away with the ball.
I put the tackle in, game, fuck off.
And they want to see a shot here, or they've lost it. The attack is over. There's a chance for the breakaway here.
Dembele.
In behind, can he finish?
That's a red.
That might not be the end of it. Surely a sending off too.
That has to be a red. He was the last defender back.
Well, there we
Yeah,
are.
right. That was the correct decision. More.
Decent move looked to be building. That's it for now.
Rodrigo intercepts
Dembele.
to Dembele. Dembele! Hits the post. Kluivert! What the f...
Kicked out, but for how long? The effort shut out.
How did none of those shots go in? Fuck off, game. To Dembele. Plays it to Kluivert to Moore.
Terrific. Salah. They're being afforded too much space here.
Schallenberg
Breaking
to
up the
Rodrigo
dangerous.
to Kluivert.
Promising
More.
break ends there.
To Kluivert. Rodrigo
Dembele.
to Dembele.
Space now to get a crossover. He's in here.
Fairman makes the save.
Nobody able to finish it off.
Rodrigo. Robbo intercepts it.
Foden.
What? I'm putting the tackle in. Fuck off, game. Right.
Now there could be a chance to
Dembele. Long plays it to Moore. More. Tobias Moore. Ah, puts it wide.
Finish that didn't miss by much.
They certainly broke with pace and with quality. The movement off the ball was difficult to mark.
Templeman
The only thing missing was the finish.
to Dembele.
Now for the finish.
Dembele to Cliver. Ah, fuck's sake. How the fuck did Trapp come across to make that save?
And the threat is over. A little careless there as the ball changes hands. Salah. Oh, great work. What's next? Looking for an angle here.
Fuck off, game. I'm putting the tackle in.
That's not a bad save at all. Well, not challenging the keeper with
And
that.
Foden sticks out of play. Alright.
Question the decision making there. Could he have
Hit
got
long
it back?
Cliver.
The angle was
Heads it to
always there.
Dembele. Right.
Oh, and he's left it
Dembele.
behind.
Oh.
Brilliant work by the man in goal. That's a top stop. No free kick, not yet. Advantage played. Chance now for a quick transition. The crowd urging him to shoot.
What? Fuck. I was putting the tackle in.
For the lead here. Not
Fuck off. You do not.
final attempt on goal.
That
Fuck.
was a really
Fuck
quick play,
off.
playing forward with pace and the movement off the ball.
Right, Cliver.
So intelligent.
Ah.
So close to finishing it off as well.
Wins the tackle.
There's a sense of real urgency to this attack. Has to be. Oh, not what the idea deserved. Sure, he schooled them in training.
More to Cliver. Cliver. Dembele. Ah. Trapp gets across.
Keeper. Terrific work.
Intercepted by Templeman. Ah.
Cleared away beyond the touchline. Throw it.
Right, Brunner. Heads it to Cliver. Ah.
The hosts have very much dictated the tempo in the last 15 minutes or so. It created a lot of chances too, but you just wonder, is it going to be one of those days? You know, we
Down
have
goal.
at least
Puts the
one
tackle
more
in.
chance and put it away.
Templeman. Plays it up to Moore. Through to Cliver.
Well, it did look promising, but threat averted.
Cliver. Intercepted by Musiala.
Timo Werner. Plenty of open space here. This looks really good. Could we see a winning goal? But it will now be tidied up and cleared away. Played through nicely. This has to be.
Fairman makes a save. Alright.
Such a vital save.
Well, it looked
Alright.
like that was going to be the winner.
It's gone to
for the
Dembele.
defenders.
It's gone to
Brilliant
Dembele.
opportunity.
Ah.
And the ref has played advantage here. Good work to win the ball.
Right, Kaminsky. To Schallenberg. To Cliver. To Moore.
Easily here.
Moore! Oh, just wide.
After that, possibly should have hit the target.
Oh, fuck off. I do not deserve to have drawn that game. I was putting the... Fuck off. I do not deserve... I deserve to win that game. But of course I didn't win because EA scripted bullshit. Oh, complete champs. Alright. Alright, well, let's play champs qualifiers then. Alright, change of plans. I was gonna play rivals, but it looks like we're playing champs instead. Or champs qualifiers instead. Right. Right, let's get into game number 2. Let's get into game number 2. Alright. Mitoma, Sanchez, Nkunku, Dembele, Tonali, Joelinton, John Arnorisa, Kurt Zuma, Varane, Pedro Porro, and Nick Pope in goal. Oh, fuck.
And a warm welcome on what is an ideal night for football, you've got to say. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and I'm joined for analysis by Stuart Robson. And we're ready to usher in the Champions playoffs. How's it going to go, Stuart?
Yeah, this should be good, Derek. It's so vital they get off to a winning start.
Chance here. Oh, an elegant finish. How about that on the volley? A brilliant strike, whatever way you look at it. Sanchez. Can he finish?
I tried to press the tackle button to put the block in. Fuck off, game. Schalk to Karaman to Polter. More. Oh. How the fuck did Schallenberg not make the interception there?
The tackle that was needed. I think it's fair to say he's part of the fixtures and fittings at the club now. His 250. Oh, can he finish it, Derek? My goodness.
Berman saves it out of play. Right. Risa crosses it in. Baumgartel, Polter, some more.
He's going forward well here.
Fuck! Oh, I'm just gonna quit. The game clearly doesn't want me. This game is clearly, the script clearly doesn't want me to win, so I'll quit. Alright. Alright, let's get into game number 3. And hopefully this game goes a lot better. Griezmann, Rosicky, Rodrigo, Palacios, Goretzka, Kone, Grimaldo, Rudiger, De Ligt, Bellerin and Jan Oblak in goal. Alright, solid team. Let's see if I can beat it.
And good evening on what is a perfect night for football. The floodlights shining down on the players as we speak. I'm Derek Ray, and my commentary partner, as always, is Stuart Robson. And ready to bring you more action.
He's got the Dortmund badge. Is he a Dortmund fan?
Well, Derek, in their last match, they were just off the pace. They need to show a lot more quality today. This should be a good game, though.
Right, Polter has it. I think this is a Dortmund fan. Oh, I cannot lose to a Dortmund fan. I fucking refuse. I ain't losing to a Dortmund fan. What? I put the fucking tackle. I put the tackle in. Fuck off, game. Nah, fuck off.
Fastest man, who's defending in the end, and danger averted for now.
More through to Polter. De Ligt gets across in time to stop it.
Ezequiel Palacios. Oh, beating his opponent with ease and swiftly ending that attack. And the referee's pointed the foul, but as after the foul, a chance to contemplate what is next, and perhaps a goal from this free kick.
And Burnham puts it over the bar. Yeah. Poulter wins the header, heads it to Moore. Can Moore switch on the afterburners and get around the defence? He can. Moore! Oh! Even when he's fouled, he still sticks it in the back of the fucking net. Let's go. Tobias Moore is what a goal from the GOAT.
Ezequiel Palacios. Possession 1.
Schalk with the interception to Karaman. Plays it to Moore. Rudiger gets the tackle in.
And the referee allowing the play to flow.
Templeman, Karaman, Moore, plays it to Karaman.
Quick thinking defensively. Rosicki.
Karaman, Bellerin, is it? Bam goes, the interception, oh fuck. Fuck off. Just fuck off, game.
So the ball is rolling again. 2-1 the scoreline. Palacios. He might be able to profit from the wide position, but nothing comes of it. Good defending.
Templeman. Goes to Moore.
Griezmann. Successfully cut out.
Schallenberg intercepts it. And it's gone to Moore. To Karaman.
Emphasis is on creativity.
Templeman.
Good high pressing.
To Poulter.
No manager to beat him.
Poulter! Oh, puts it wide.
Target.
Well, as you said, off target when really that should be hitting the back of the net. That's a golden opportunity.
I put the tackle in on Bellerin with Templeman there. Why didn't I get the ball?
And let's give credit to the defending.
Right, Moore has it.
A really smart piece of defending to stop them. What to like about that pass? Released it nicely.
Brunner heads it to Schallenberg. To Karaman.
So a throw in here.
Schallenberg intercepts it to Karaman. To Moore. Templeman intercepts it. It's gone. It goes to Moore. I didn't want. Why didn't the game let me pass it to Moore there, like I fucking wanted to?
Goretzka.
Right, to Schallenberg. Right. Harriman has it.
Can they counter clinically? Well, that break looked so promising, but nothing coming from it. And bent forwards.
What? I was putting the fucking tackle in, game. Fuck off. Just fuck off, game.
Well, here's the replay. He's done well to get his head up, pick out a teammate, while the movement in the box is equal to such good timing. What a goal.
That was a foul on Moore, but of course it's not given. But if I did that to his player, it'd be convicted. They'd be convicted in the fucking Hague. I put the tackle in, of course it doesn't let me. Yeah, of course. I put the tackle in, the game won't fucking let me. I mean, my player gets fouled and I don't get fuck all for it. Fucking shit game. Right. Alright, let's get into game number 4. Alright. Alright. Rodrigo, Griezmann, don't know who the right winger is. Valverde, Essien, Bellingham, João Cancelo, Rudiger, Eder Militao, Carlos Alberto, and Courtois in goal. Alright, let's see if... Right.
Hello and thanks for joining us live here on EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray to bring you commentary along with the former England forward Sue Smith. We've got action from the Champions playoffs coming right up. Sue, what are your expectations from this? Now for the finish. And there it is.
Of course, the game didn't let me put the tackle in when I wanted it to, because why would it?
1-0.
I tried to put the tackle in and the game wouldn't let me, because of fucking course it wouldn't.
Griezmann waited beautifully. In behind, can he finish? It's in. There's almost goal to go in. With nobody in the way. He sent some real urgency to this attack. The promise of something happening is over. Oh, being squeezed. Play on is the referee's call. Antoine Griezmann.
I put the tackle in, why didn't I come away with the ball?
Just being afforded too much space.
What?
The referee has given a penalty.
Oh, fuck off.
Make it 3-0. Well, if there were any nerves,
Fuck off, I do not deserve to have lost that game. Fuck off. Fucking shit game. Right, game number 6, let's go. Right. Right. Wilson, Chiesa, Maddison, Joelinton, Sane, Kimmich, Rico Henry, Darmian, Bremer, Alexander-Arnold and Manuel Neuer. Alright. Let's get into the gameplay.
a warm welcome on what is a perfect day to watch football. My name's Guy Mowbray, delighted to be joined by Sue Smith for commentary. And another exciting game from the Champions playoffs is on the way. Sue, what can we expect from the game then?
Yeah, I'm sure they'll be disappointed with the last game. Far too many players not at their usual levels. Needs to be a much improved performance today.
Wilson. Here's how the home side lines up. Manuel Neuer is in goal. James, a genuine chance.
Over the bar.
A little bit too high.
Well, it's the right idea, isn't it?
Just
get
boot
the
it long.
touch on it. People will be happy to see that go over the bar.
Poulter, heads it to Moore.
Now, this has to be.
Moore! Oh, puts it wide.
To open the scoring.
He'll be disappointed with that. Maybe it just came to him a little bit early.
Cameron to Moore.
This is a good run. Now, can he pick out the right option? Leroy Sané.
Temperman. Right, Moore has it.
Could be dangerous.
Up to Caraman.
It might still happen. Well, that's hugely frustrated for the coach and the players.
Kaminsky, alright, Templeman. Some more.
Switched on and ready to intercept that.
Put the tackle in, but the game didn't let me, because of fucking course it didn't. Right. Poulter heads it to Caraman, some more. Rodrigo makes it 1-0, let's go. Rodrigo puts the tackle in, Schallenberg to Caraman, Kimmich cuts out the pass to Moore. Fairman claims it. I wanted it to go, I wanted to boot it long. Why didn't Fairman boot it long? But anyways. Moore with the dribbling. Moore. I think it's a tackle in. Kaminsky wins the header. Right, tackle goes in, wins it. Right, Caraman to Poulter. Avulian, right, Templeman to Caraman.
Making good progress here.
Templeman to Moore.
Well, it looked promising, but only up to a point. Anderson. What a chance here.
Fuck off. Just fuck off.
What a game this is turning out to be.
Right, Moore.
Able to slip past.
Moore.
Crucial tackle to deal with the danger. Kimmich. Keeping it nicely here.
I put the tackle in.
Looking to put the cross in.
Put the tackle in for. And there. What? Where was the foul? Fuck off, game.
First line of defence has worked.
Why didn't Fairman boot it long like I wanted him to? Fuck's sake.
Counter looks on here. Options available.
Moore through to Poulter. Poulter,
Right choice. That's a deflection. Corner now.
Right. Avulian crosses it in. Templeman to Caraman.
Looks like a good advantage play.
Kaminsky, right.
And cuts it out.
Caraman to Moore. Schallenberg, right. That was a foul, but never mind.
Not so much given away as cleverly won. Good ball in behind. Now for the finish. Oh, fantastic.
Fairman makes the save. Right, Caraman,
Got the corner away.
right, Moore.
Chance now for a quick transition.
Why didn't Moore take it round Henry like I wanted him to? Fuck off, game. Schallenberg intercepts it. Karaman. Right, Schallenberg. Plays it wide, right.
That whistle brings the first half to a close.
Right. Right, Akpom, you're coming on, and Karaman, you're coming off for Dembele. Alright. Let's see if Akpom and Dembele can beat this game's. Let's see if Akpom and Dembele can beat the game scripting. More kicks off. The game is lagging because of fucking course it is. Oh, and it's lagging again because of fucking course it is. Fuck off! Of course the game lags when he's on the counter. Come to Rodrigo. Right, Brunner throws it to Akpom. Right, Dembele plays it back, plays it to Akpom. Fuck off, I won the tackle there with Akpom, but of course Rico Henry keeps the ball. Fuck. I put the tackle in, fuck off. How does Maddison still have the fucking ball? He's gone out for a throw-in. I put the tackle in. Fuck off. What? Where was the foul there? Fuck off! Over the bar. Right. Thurman plays it long, heads it to Akpom. I was putting the tackle in, fuck off game. This is fucking bullshit. Right, one game number. Right, let's get into game number 6. Let's get into the 6th and final game of the episode. Who am I kidding? The script will probably fuck me. The script will still fuck me over. Right, Garnacho, Rodrigo, Kudus, Pedro Gonçalves, Rodrigo Salazar, Balde, Koundé, don't know the centre back, Sol Campbell, Hector Bellerin, and Andre Onana in goal. Alright. Let's see how let's see if I can beat it.
get from this one?
Thanks, Guy. Well, I can't wait for this one. Both sets of fans are certainly up for it. I'm sure that that'll give the players a real boost. They'll be hoping to start the game at a fast tempo.
Right, Moore has it.
Attack of genuine promise now. Here's how the home side lines up.
Well, they're lining up in a 5-2-3 formation. I'm sure when they have the ball, the wing-backs will push forward to make it more of a 3-4-3. The wide forwards may go central, allowing the wing-back to provide the width and create those overloads out there.
Right.
This is the lineup for the visitors.
Yeah, it's a 5-2-3 out of possession, but as soon as they win the ball back, the shape could be more of a 3-4-3, making sure that those wing-backs push forward.
Good advantage played by the ref.
Fuck off.
We could watch that sort of skill all day. Excellent teammate. There's still danger here. Oh, they've lost
Right.
it. It's
William,
over.
Caraman, some more.
Ref allowing the game to flow. Gonzalez. Rodrigo. Takes the lead.
What? I put the tackle in. Fuck off. Oh, fuck's sake. I put the fucking tackle in.
Mohamed Kudus. That's a foul and a free kick. Rodrigo. Play continues.
Where was the foul? Fuck off, game. Fuck off. There was no foul. Fuck off, game. Moore plays it through to Poulter.
Moving forward under no real pressure.
Put the tackle in, but of course I don't get the ball.
Rodrigo. The ball is lost and the chance has gone
Right.
too.
Schallenberg intercepts it.
There might be a
Moore.
chance if they keep it moving. Good patient build up, but not quite the end product. It's a challenge that's brought a whistle and a free kick.
For who? For which team? Why is it done? Why is the game done this then? What? What? Oh. Wasn't a foul, but fuck off.
Jules Koundé.
This wasn't a fucking foul.
Showing good width with this attack. Good work to beat the challenge. Pushing forward now to make the right choice. Can he finish?
I put the fucking tackle in. Fuck off.
Almost guaranteed.
Oh, fuck off. I don't deserve to have lost that fucking game. Oh, I know what this video is being called. Anyways, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.